Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. Now I'm on the dollar count, I've got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss ones close to the price action now. We have a very broad weekly range here from high to low. Can we break out? Or are we going to simply fail at the top of the range? Now we are failing at 136.64, which is monthly resistance at the moment, but can the overall trend hold to move higher? Now my preferred option would be to see price move down to 135.20. Can that be support, day support? Can it find strength there for a move up to break out? Now of course at the start of the week we may just simply revisit 136.64, hold and move back down the range. We've got a lot of data coming out for the dollar CAD this week, interest rate decision, unemployment figures, so those are the two levels to watch, 135.20 and 136.64 on the dollar CAD. Alright, moving on to dollar franc. Now we sold down last week from the 94.08 weekly resistance level. Level I'm watching is 92.91. Will this uptrend hold? So watching 92.91. Will that hold as support for a move back up this week, back towards the 94.08 weekly resistance level? Of course this level could break, so it's a level to watch for support or resistance. First of all, can it be support to move back up, or does it become resistance for a further decline? Alright, so currently watching 92.91 to be support on the dollar franc. Alright traders, moving on to dollar yen now. 135.16 here is a major monthly top that we've moved above from 2002. We got a little bit short of that level last week. We could come down and retest that level though once more. 135.16 is a level to watch if we continue to move down for support to hold the uptrend. So I'm watching 135.16. We could get down to 135.00 if we wanted to, but that's the level to watch for the uptrend to hold. If we move below that level, then we could be moving back down to 133.62. So does that level hold for a move back up, back towards last week's high? We do have the Bank of Japan policy statement on Friday, so 135.16, can that hold as support for a continued advance? Alright traders, moving on to the euro pound now. We are rather range bound, holding at weekly resistance at 88.97 here. Tested and failed at that level a number of times, but we've pulled back from that level last week, formed a higher bottom here, so we're probably going to come up and challenge that level. Watch that level for either a breakout to go up and test 89.28, or again a simple failure. So 88.97 is the clear line to watch. Is it once more resistance for failure, or do we finally see a breakout? So depending on your positioning, you may already be long. If you're already long, you're looking for a breakout. If you're not in the market, then we could definitely see another failure at that resistance level. So watch 88.97. Will it hold, or will we break out above that level this week? Alright, moving along to the New Zealand yen. Now for a number of weeks I've been saying watch 84.91 weekly resistance for possible failure. We did try to move above last week, but ultimately false broke. So it's really the same trade, 84.66 up to 84.91. Do we see a retest and failure? Do we once more come back up to this area, retest, fail and put in a lower top for a move down the range? Day support at the moment is down here at 83.45, but we could see a long-term failure up here for a move back down to weekly support at 81.03. So can we see a retest and failure of 84.66 up to 84.91 this week? Alright traders, last pair to review for the day, New Zealand dollar. Now we moved up last week and put in a lower top at 62.70 daily resistance. We did trade back below the weekly and monthly. Is it support or resistance? These levels here, 61.91, which is the weekly level, 62.04, which is the monthly level. We move below and then we move back above, so they keep switching their polarity. I'm going to go with the trend at the moment, which is down. So I'm going to be watching through the course of the week. Does 62.04, which is monthly resistance, remain as resistance to move down and test 61.31 daily support? Can we move below that level? Now we could actually form a higher bottom here and move back up. So the 6200 area there is the key level to watch at the moment over the next couple of days. Does that area become resistance now? Once more, to hold the downtrend for a move down to test 61.31 day support. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 7th of March, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 8th of March, Range Trading using Fibonacci. Learn how to trade consolidation on the daily and 4-hour charts using the Fibonacci tool. Duncan Cooper will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss, and profit target levels, and show you how to create risk to reward targets greater than 1 to 3. 9th of March, Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. 8 p.m. Sydney time. Follow the link below and join for free.